Today on Mario Cooks, I've got something that I've always wanted to try. I've got fresh portabella mushrooms, salt, pepper, basil, olive oil, tomato, garlic, salami, and the mozzarella. Let me get our handy trusty dusty knife.
Trusty dusty?
Yeah, go watch your show or else turn it off. I'm gonna cut this into nice little slices to put on our mushrooms. It's gonna be like a pizza. Always wanted to try stuffed portabellas. You can get them at restaurants, you can get them wherever you want, but I like to cook fresh. Mozzarella. So, I just got out of the hospital a couple days ago for something called diverticulitis, and I have to change my whole diet.
Dad, I love that.
Do you love it, sis?
Yep, it is. I love one.
You can have a taste of this cheese. Okay, now go in there. So I've got to change my whole diet. I quit drinking cold turkey. I'm in the process of quitting smoking. But they finally released me from eating liquids to eating real food. So this is my first attempt at real food. Besides the bacon I ate this morning. Mozzarella. Mozzarella. It's gonna be a yummy. It's gonna be a yummy. A make me go a walla kaboom. And here shortly, manja manja, which means eat. Got the oven prepped at 425. It's on its way there. Gonna throw them on a fresh grilling pan so that it'll drain the juices so that the mushrooms don't get soggy. Let's go ahead and turn this around here a little bit so I can get some more cheese off this piece.
Dad?
What, son?
Can you open my Gatorade?
Open what, babe?
My Gatorade.
Your Gatorade? Yes, I can. On this episode of Mario Eats, or Mario Cooks, I should say.
A lot big butts to that line. You almost did it line.
Alright, so here in a couple seconds, we're going to move on to the next piece. Alright, now we're going to cut up the salami. Give it a nice little fresh taste in there. I guess I could do this a better way. Being sober is boring, so I gotta make a cooking show. Yay. Alright, so I'm gonna make them into little triangles like that, but I'm gonna do something make it a little easier. Just stack them. Stack them. It's a stack attack, salami attack. Just cut it like a pizza, you know what I mean?
It's time for your feeding. Time for your nappy. It's time for your nappy.
Alright, we got the portabella mushrooms rinsed off and dried off with paper towels. Clean all the gunk out of there. I'm a huge fan of mushrooms, but I've never had stuffed portabella, like I said. So I'm going to try this out, and hopefully the family will like it, even though everybody's skeptical. But we all got to start eating better sometime. Okay, got the salami sliced. Now we're going to run with the tomato.
No, you're just going to pretend to drink. Yeah. No, please. Not yet.
I know y'all are probably wondering who taught me how to cut a tomato.
Yeah.
Not supposed to saw it.
It's all done. No, it's all done. You don't get any more, please. It's all done.
Alright. So we got our tomato, mozzarella, salami. So, next step that I'm going to do now, keep in mind, folks, I just looked at some sort of recipe briefly, and I'm just throwing my own little kick to it. So that's the fun thing I like about cooking, is you can do whatever you want. So we're gonna move over to the portabellas that I have rinsed. A little bit of EVOO. Woo! Might have to put a little bit too much on that one. I like recipes, but I like doing my own thing. Ooh. Might have to put a little bit too much on all these, but oh well. Nothing wrong with some olive oil. It's good for you. We're gonna go with a little bit of salt. Not too much. I don't want to make it too salty. On the mushrooms are too salty. A little bit of black pepper, because who doesn't like black pepper? Get it all up in those gills.
Looks like an egg down in there.
Yeah, an egg. Okay. And then we're gonna put typically I'd use fresh garlic, but we're going with the minced. Yeah. So, and spread it around a little bit so you're not getting a mouthful. But who doesn't like a mouthful of garlic? You know who? Dracula. Mwah, Mwah, Dracula. This is gonna turn out really good. They can call me Mario Batali. With a little bit of Rachel Ray, because I'm stacked in the upper section. Alright.
Brother.
Looks like I got enough garlic on all those, except for this big bad boy. Ah! How's that looking? Give me a thumbs up if you like the way that's looking, like this. Alright, now we're going to move to the good stuff. We're going to put some fresh mozzarella. Layer that bad boy on there. Hopefully this doesn't hurt me.
Hey guys.
Oh, look at, here's my assistant. Some
Refill
fresh
it, did I go?
mozzarella.
I've got 425.
425. Did you say 55?
No.
Guys, stop. You can't climb on the bike.
So how long do you cook it for?
25 minutes, which is a little late for the kids to eat, but it's just what it is.
New chick. Tried to charge me for refill for all of them, even after I said these two are water.
Okay, I want to get some
I
things.
had to make her take it off,
Nummy nummy.
And golly.
and I couldn't get you smokes, obviously, because I didn't have my ID.
Oh, well, I don't need them.
Sorry. Here's your chips, Mom.
So there's the mozzarella on the mushrooms.
I just set it over there for it,
Mozzarella.
You're supposed to do it into cubes.
Don't worry about what you're supposed to do. I told you. I looked at the recipe and I'm going to put my own kick to it because that's what you do when you cook. Then we're going to go with some fresh basil. The floor is not a part of the cooking show for crying out freaking loud.
Are you on live or just videoing?
You're kind of,
Oh no.
both you guys are just destroying my thing here.
Sorry. You told me to come and record it or whatever.
Okay, well, too bad I don't have any editing material so I can edit out all this.
Oh well.
Yeah. Okay, that's
Hey, you're at home. You got family. And that's what you do.
You can. I'll show you the app you use.
Basil on the mushrooms.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Never have too much basil in your life, I'll tell you what.
That's a love thing.
Alright guys, now we're gonna go with
That's pretty good.
some salami. Look at how cute. Aww.
Aww.
It's like making a little pizza pie. You can hand that to Kayla if you'd like to because it looks like you're getting tired.
He says when he goes like this to shut it down.
Pause it, but it's not happening.
Boop.
It already would have.
Good
Yay!
camera people.
Alright. Better hire some non-intoxicated camera people. For Mario's cooking.
Make sure you're gentle with the meat.
Yes, you always have to be gentle with the meat.
The salami, real gentle.
Okay, we only got about the 4 pieces left of the salami, so let's just load it up to make it taste good. Manja. I might be going a little overboard, but that's okay. Alright, so we stack that up, baby. We're gonna go with some fresh tomato. Oh, shit. Nice fresh tomato in there. And then we're going to top it off with the remainings of the mozzarella. Wife says they're supposed to be a cube, but I do not care.
Doesn't listen to me anyway, so. Right?
Yep. Sometimes. Last time I listened to you today, we went to the wrong place. What are you doing?
Making sure everybody can see your gray beard.
Oh, that's a great. Great. Get it?
You have a great beard.
Okay, so that is done, except for I feel like we need a little more. Alright, I got a little more mozzarella to make it nice and cheesy. This one's lacking in the mozzarella world.
That looks good, Pop.
Well, thank you. It's my own take. We'll see what happens.
You can put a little more basil on the top of it too.
Ooh, might as well, huh? Can't go wrong with some basil. Alright, here, who would like this beets? Slice of cheese.
I think you need to put it on that one somewhere. Or right here, maybe.
There's a whole bunch underneath it too, babe. Don't want to have too much. Here.
Oh, gee, thanks.
You're welcome. And then we're gonna add just a little more basil to top it off. Garnish it. Has anybody ever made this before? Homemade? I bet you $1 million Ashley and Sean have made it. Or at least they've eaten it. Well, I bet you $1 million Ashley's the only one that's gonna watch this video. Spooky!
More on that one.
Alright guys. Now we're gonna pop her in that bad oven for about 25 minutes. And be time to eat. I'll show you the ending results here in about a half an hour. Again with Mario Cooks, the sober edition. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes. Just gotta put them in there to let the mushrooms to soften up and the cheese to melt. So let's see what we got for my first time here. Oh, the cheese melted over, but that's alright. Probably because I put a whole bunch in there. Ooh. There we are.
Yummy!
So I'm going to pull mine off and take a cut into it and see what it looks like. So,
Use this. This should scoop under it real good.
oh buddy. Does that not look good? Does that not look good? Good job, baby.
And I love that.
You love it?
Yep.
Just wait till we try it, huh?
Yeah, let's do
I guess I could have put a little more tomato on mine. Oh, cheesy. Hopefully this doesn't screw up my guts.
I have to order. I want some pizza and
Look at that.
some pizza and some chips and some cheese with it, please. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Amazing, huh?
Yeah.
I knew it would be.
All right.
This
You guys
goes on
wanna try
the weekly
this?
menu.
Look up a recipe and make your own little tweaks. Oh my gosh, that was good. Thanks for joining us on Mario Eats.